Welcome back, Math Champions. Today, we've got an interesting problem to solve for divided by 4 times 4. At first glance, it might look confusing because of all the divisions and multiplications. But don't worry, we'll solve it step by step using the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. First, remember, when you have only division and multiplication, you always move from left to right. So let's start. Backhand index pointing right, 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Now we continue with the result. Backhand index pointing right, 1 divided by 4 equals 0.25. Finally, we multiply. Backhand index pointing right, 0.25 times 4 equals 1. And there we have it. The correct value of 4 divided by 4 times 4 is 1. It's a simple problem, but a perfect reminder that PEMDAS and left-to-right rules are super important in math. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick math tricks and problem breakdowns. See you in the next one.